Hey everyone, welcome to the LifeThoughtsCam YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll be talking about the Mi Smart Band 5, which is a fitness tracker wristband. In this video, I'll be focusing on the unboxing and also a first impression. Do check out my Mi Smart Band 5 playlist to view all the future videos. You can view those videos by clicking on the eye icon on the top right side corner. As this video progresses, you will see more such pop-ups. Do check them out for more information. About the brand. Xiaomi is a Chinese brand that specializes in products such as smartphones, home appliances, consumer electronics, and much more. It was founded in the year 2010 and they have a global presence. They go by the name Mi, which is their trade name. They have also joined the Make in India program. I think it started in the year 2015. Please do check out my description box for the official website link. Why did we choose this product? We bought this particular wristband because it was the latest model by Mi, and we already had the older model which we liked, and also it was in our budget. And I chose a black color because I felt it would go better with most of the outfits. Where did I buy it from? I bought this fitness tracker from Amazon. Check the description box for the shopping link. Cost of the product. It costs 2,999 rupees. Product information. It has a 1.1-inch AMOLED color touchscreen. Honestly speaking, I had no clue what this was. But my first reaction was, my band screen looked good. And after I read about this AMOLED, this is what I understood. Well, the gist. In layman's terms, instead of having a layer that recognizes touch on the top of the screen, the layer is integrated into the screen itself. Okay, that sounds cool. But as a consumer, how does this help me? The screen looks just like the previous generation I had. The lines look crisp, and yes, it looks brighter. But I can't control the brightness at all. I'm a smartphone user. Almost everyone I know has a smartphone. And they all have brightness control, or automatically the brightness changes depending on the room brightness. Meaning I'm a creature of this action, which is quite normal for me. I'm just hoping this brightness control is not going to be a problem for me. Resolution is 126 by 294 pixels with a 16-bit color range, and the brightness is 450 nit. All the sensors are at the bottom, like the PPG heart rate sensor, also known as a real-time heart rate monitor, and a vibration motor to give you all your alerts or notifications. It has a RAM of 512 KB and a storage of 16 MB. It is also waterproof up to 5 ATM. This means it will withstand pressure equivalent to about 50 meters or say 164 feet underwater. This circle image right here is a touchscreen button, also called as a single touch input button. Battery life is 125 mAh, which is about 14 to 20 days. It also has Bluetooth, so you can easily connect to your smartphone. Product packaging. This is how we receive the product from our Amazon seller. Contents inside the packaging. I'll be sharing the photos of the manual in my setup video. And the bandstock quality has always been good, but this time they have introduced different colors. All the items give a good quality feel and they're also lightweight. The charge is completely different from the previous models. It is called magnetic charging, which means that I don't have to remove the band from the strap for charging. And it is quite compact and it has a decent size cable length. Honestly speaking, I'm just loving this easy charging. The setup. The setup was not that hard, we just followed the manual. Don't forget that if you operate this fitness wristband, you'll also have to install an app that is available on iOS and Android. Don't forget to check out my step-by-step setup instructions video. I'll be posting it soon. How does it look when it is fully set up? My first impression. It seems like a budget-friendly fitness wristband. When I wear it, it does not feel bulky and it is quite comfortable. I can tell you more only after I've used it for a while, so drop by after a month to see the review. Also, if you're interested in lifestyle, do check out my other videos. Now don't forget to thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon to receive all notifications. Bye!